Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how to make a 3D pumpkin. So you're going to need some construction paper, green, orange, and black, some scissors, some glue, and you're going to cut the paper, the orange and the black paper, into like strips like this. So you're going to take your orange paper and glue it like a cross. That's what I'm doing right now. And then after that, you're gonna take that third piece and glue it like that, going down. And then you're gonna take another strip and glue it across again. And it's gonna look like this when you're done. So after you're done doing that, what you're gonna do is take the opposite sides of the strips and glue them together, like so. Basically, the goal is to like have everything glued down together. Uniform, like a ball, I guess. But it's really important to pretty much glue the opposite ends. Like you can see what I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to show you guys. Like make sure they're glued, like they're opposite of each other, if that makes sense. If you don't do it, then it's okay. Just as long as it's like neat, it should be fine. Don't drive yourself crazy trying to make sure it's like exactly the opposite end of each other. Just try your best. So when you finish gluing, it should look like this. And the next step is to basically make some triangles for some eyes or some nose or teeth. I'm basically showing you guys that I made triangles for his eyes. And then with the green construction paper, you can cut different shapes like little leaves or stems that's going to go on top of the little pumpkin. That's what I'm showing you guys. I cut it ahead of time. But that's pretty much it. You can also use like the black construction paper too to make a handle. I'll show you guys when I'm done. But it's up to you how you want to cut your leaves and stuff. And this is the final product. I hope you guys like it. We need a name for him. I was chewing this peppermint, so excuse me guys. But yeah, give him a name. I did this activity with some kids and some parents, and they loved it. The parents, I feel like the parents loved it more than the kids. I'll try to insert some of the creations. Some kids made cats. I also did cats with the children too. It's the same way, but I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Remember to love more and judge less. Thanks for watching. Bye.